A warm greetings to one and all. Hi, this is Akshay from Naresh IT, and today we are going to discuss about the second problems on ages. Now let us see what is that problems. First I'll read this problem. 20 years ago, A was half of the B's age if the ratio of their present ages is 3:4. What will be the total of their present ages? My dear student, it's a really simple kind of question. Now let us see how to deal with this question. What I've told, for solving any question, what we have to do is we have to break the question in small sentences, and later on we have to think about it, how to deal with it. Let us see one by one how to solve this question. As we know this is the question, like 20 years ago, A was half of B's age. If the ratio of their present ages is 3:4, what will be the total of their present age? My dear student, it's a simple question. Now we have to concentrate towards this line first of all. Like ratio of their present ages is 3:4. Like that means what? A is to be having their age in terms of ratio as 3:4. So can I consider like A's age will be in terms of 3 multiples and B's age is like in terms of 4 multiples. So I'll be better considering it as like 3x is to 4x. Now what is the age of A is like 3x and age of B is what? 4x. Now what we have to see? What will be the total of their present age? Total means what we have to calculate? What is 3x plus 4x? We need to calculate this now. Now let us see how to deal with this question. 20 years ago, A was half of B's age. 20 years ago, that means 3x minus 20 and 4x minus 20. Okay. 3x minus 20, 4x minus 20. What they are telling? 20 years ago, A was half of B age. That means A's age is what? Half of B's age. Half of. Of means multiplication now. A's age is half of B's age. That means we have to solve this. In which way? Let us see. This 2 will be coming toward this side. So this 2 will be going to multiply this bracket. So what is that? 2 into 3x minus 20, which is equals to 4x minus 20. Okay, next thing is that 3 2s are 6x minus 2 into this 20. 2 20s are 40, which is equals to 4x minus 20. Now the next is what? 6x minus 4x, which is equals to minus 20 plus 40. This minus sign will be going, this minus sign will be converting into positive when this 40 will be going towards this side. So this is what? Minus 20 plus 40. This 4x having positive sign, whenever 4x will be coming toward this side, it will change into minus. So that is what? 6x minus 4x, which is equals to minus 20 plus 40. Now if we will further solve it, then we will get to know 2x is equal to 40 minus 20, that is this minus 20 plus 40, which is equals to 20. So in this way we are getting the value of x is what? 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. Value of x we are getting is what? 10. Now we have to use this value of x in this equation. Let us see how. Here we are putting 3 into 10 plus 4 into 10. 3 into 10 is 30 plus 4 into 10 is 40, and we are getting the sum of their present ages, which is what? 70 years. So in this way, my dear student, today we have seen a simple question which is on the basic of ages. Thank you for watching this video under Naresh IT.